Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply for a job on the BestJobs application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then if you have found the job offer that you would like to apply for, you just have to click on it. And as you can see down below, there is a button apply, so you just simply have to tap on it. But first you just need to upload your CV, so click on this button and tap on your document that you would like to upload as your CV. So now you have applied for this position. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.